తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
Hi everyone, I am Ali Sheikh. Again today I am going to explain you. The question is, why do people fail interviews? The question is, why do people fail interviews? The reason are many, but I am going to explain you here. There are four major reasons where the student get rejected from the interviews. After studying years and years, one person cannot face for half an hour to 1 hour interviews to earn the money. So here, my brothers and sisters, I would like to precisely explain you what are the points where the people get rejection. First is poor communication. HR, when you go for interview, HR will not ask, HR doesn't ask you that tell me about yourself. HR try to confuse you by asking the questions. He may ask you, please go through your profile, tell me about yourself, give me your PIR. Various way he will ask you for interview. But you should be well acquainted with all the term of interview. So when the moment he asks you that go through your profile, when you listen this and you will get confused, he is asking some other way, and slowly your motivation about the interview goes down. From there you start going down and you will not clear the round. And whereas you need to have a strong communication, and you have to have practice yourself before you go for interview. You have to record your video yourself, and you need to watch again and again to check out how good you are speaking. Either you are speaking correctly or you are not satisfied with yourself. When you are not satisfied with yourself, then how could you expect that HR will clear you around and he will give the job to you? Whereas before you and after you, there are hundreds of the people are standing in the queue to take the opportunity. So you should grab the opportunity with your strong communication, with practice. And second, come to the point, bad body language. See, my brother, nervousness. When you go in front of HR and see HR, instead of talking HR, hi sir, hello, how are you? Instead of asking these all the things, what usually happen, you start seeing your phone, you start seeing here and there, you scratch you on your body, and you don't keep eye contact with HR. These all the things what happen is give the intimation to HR that uh, you are not capable enough to do this job. This your body language talk much more than you. Without your body language shows to the HR that you are not suitable to you are not suitable to take this job. So always keep yourself keep your body language is also very confident, and keep confidently eye contact with the HR, and give the very good hand shake. When you are shaking the hand, shake hand with very properly with the HR, and keep eye contact every 3 to 5 seconds. Keep your eyeball changing. Don't continuously keep eye contact to eye contact. And next, brother and sisters, not answering properly. Whenever HR is asking the question, you try to understand the question. So what happens, whatever the HR asks question to you, what usually happen that the person doesn't know what he doesn't know about the subject. He try to manipulate, he will talk something what he knows. HR is not a small kid who is taking your interview. Before you, after you, he has taken interview of hundreds of the, already he has been to this field for years and years. That's the reason he has been allocated this job to judge the candidate and hire in the company organization. So that's the reason, always keep in your mind that whenever the HR is asking question to you, you try to understand the question and give the answer with the very normal words you use. Don't even use the highly vocabulary to show him that I am good with the vocabulary, I am good with the pronunciation. Whereas I am speaking in front of the media, whereas I am not using the very tough words, I am not using the very highly vocabulary, very simply words, and very normal person. I am standing in front of you. I am trying to explain you that how you have to face the interview. Next, come to the no practice. Brother, I said in my previous interviews also, And many time in my past life, I said that even today, wherever I go to meet somebody, before that I practice myself. You know the Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, he has hit at the 100 centuries. He has hit at 100 centuries. But whenever you see that past matches, before he start playing, he will practice in the net without practice, despite of he is a master blaster person, still he need to practice before he go on stadium. So what I would like to say, my brothers and sisters, without practicing, if you go wherever, it means that clearly just you are wasting your time and wasting the time of others. Practice before you go to the place. And apart from this, all the things, my brothers and sisters, I would like to come to the most important point that whenever, wherever you are doing the Oracle, Java, HTML, Python, Django, digital marketing, and many other courses for IT courses, if you do these courses, after these courses, when you go for interview, if you don't have this communication, again you will get rejected very easily. Because I have been observed that since years, what I have observed that the people who come with the very big hopes to in Hyderabad, after these IT courses I may get the job very easy. No, you are putting yourself in a trouble by telling to yourself. Because when you want to do a job, basic thing you need to keep in your mind, one is you need to have a great subject knowledge, and second is you have to be a fluent English speaker. Without English speaking, you cannot crack your job. Without subject knowledge, you won't get the job. The combination of these two things, you may get the job very easy. Whether you are the tall or you are the short, you are the fat or you are the slim, no one concerned about you. Concern is that how good subject knowledge you carry, how good communication you carry. These matter most in this interview time. So if you want to crack the job, then whatever I say to you, please try to take my words seriously and work on that. And wherever you are living across the world, wherever you are watching my video, always keep in my mind, my brother and sister, two things you have to keep in your mind always. First thing is subject, second is communication. These two combinations is required to get the job. I am not talking about the corporate company, multinational companies, or the domestic companies. Whichever the field you will want to be, these two things you need to have. I hope you got some knowledgeable things from me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I would like to thank for everyone. Jai Hind.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team andarki huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.